Atlassian really wants you in the cloud. If you're a data center user, Atlassian is knocking down every excuse you got. In today's video, we're going to be talking about not one, but two clever new things that Atlassian is doing to help convince you to come over to the cloud. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing, drop a like if you get value out of this video, and let's jump into the keynote and talk about not one, but two different cloud options. So Atlassian at Team 25 announced the Atlassian Government Cloud and the Atlassian Isolated Cloud. Now, why is this important? Well, it's important because as we take a look at the users that are still in data center, which basically means they have an on-premise version of Jira, which is installed somewhere in their world, right? They have full control of the data. When we start talking about the cloud, things get a little bit more fuzzy. Your data is not always as secure or as private or as in control as you would like, but maybe sometimes it's not even like, maybe it's you would have to comply to. And so Atlassian sees and hears that and goes, okay, what can we do to give our customers, specifically our government customers, that warm, fuzzy feeling that they have more control of their data? And before we get to that, let me tell you about Aspire Live. Jira shouldn't have to be this hard, and we have an entire team that is ready to help you out with all of your Jira problems. So check out the link down in the description, fill out this information, and let one of our experts reach out to you and help you out on this journey. And now back to the video. So Atlassian's answer is this. The Atlassian Government Cloud is going to ensure data security with FedRAMP moderate compliance. And keep in mind that Atlassian is working on getting the rest of these FedRAMPs compliances. And it's also going to reduce the risk with an environment exclusively for the US government. So this is really good news if you're like a DoD contractor, because you're not going to have a cloud that is basically enclave just for you. And so that excuse to not be able to utilize Jira because it's in the cloud, it's going to go away. And you really want this, right? Atlassian is making it so enticing for customers that are in data center to really want this, because essentially you don't get any of the new features inside of data center. You don't get the new UI, you don't get AI, you don't get anything great. And Atlassian is making it so easy for folks to basically upgrade from data center to cloud, and they're eliminating any and all excuses so that folks can come in. Now, they didn't stop there though. For companies that are basically not US government, but still have a very protective, very regulated industry, maybe medical or something like that, Atlassian is offering something called the Atlassian Isolated Cloud. Now, this is going to be a single tenant environment, right? So you're not sharing with anybody. So this is just for you, just your own enclave, and it's going to minimize risk with a dedicated infrastructure. Now, for both of these options, I cannot imagine that these are going to be cheap. They're going to be very expensive. I would be willing to bet that they're going to be very expensive, but they're going to give you that warm, fuzzy feeling. They're going to give you that compliance checkbox that says, yep, this is going to be safe and it's going to be what they need, right? So this is, I think, Atlassian's smart and strategic move to basically tell the world, we're ready for you. Come get all the features of the cloud. Come get AI. Come get everything else, but you lock it up. It's all locked up just for you, and it's just your stuff. So now, again, the excuses and the reasons why people can't come over to the cloud, they start going down. And it's just going to become a matter of like behavior and change at that point, because Atlassian is going to say, look, you have no excuses. Everything that you think you can't move to the cloud for, we've eliminated all of those excuses. And so these are the steps in the right direction. So kudos to Atlassian. But let me know in the comment section, does this make an impact for you and your team? Are you excited for government cloud? Are you excited for isolated cloud? Do you care? Let me know in that comment section. And while you're down there, make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit that like button, and I'll see you in the next one.